purpose, is to really tackle our main challenge, which is the growth of our business. And for that, we need to get more centered onto the customer priorities, and we need to get in relation with new decision makers by our customers, which are more and more into the business side by the customers. So we need to adapt our organizations to the new buying behaviors of our customers. And for that, we will be organizing our sales organization and delivery and into 6 verticals, so to bring more relevance and to get more of the decisions and more of the investments of our customers to the benefit of Atos and to Atos business. Clearly, that's a new trend on the market today. So in parallel to these 6 new verticals, we'll continue to focus on main trends of the IT market. Today, these trends are about digital platforms, business critical apps, user experience, and security or data privacy. These remains big trends on the market, and a new one is now raising, and is super important that we are bringing solutions and services to help our customers. As our IT industry altogether, we can't continue as we did during the past decades. We are a main polluter today. We need to recognize that, and it's super important for the future of this industry to ensure that we will be able to have a sustainable strategy, which means that we need to drive decarbonizations in everything that we do. If you look at the data centers which we are running, or we need to help our customers also reduce their carbon footprint. And that's why we are putting this decarbonization and sustainability as one of our core priorities. And all together, with our investments, continuous investments on the other trends, we are willing to be the leader in secure and decarbonized digital.
So actually, as you said, we are entering a very exciting moment, continuing. It didn't start yesterday, but through this digital transformation, we are enabling new usages to our customers through main technologies. We are not doing this alone. Of course, we are designing our own technologies and providing end-to-end services, but through partnerships such as Micro Focus, we are enhancing a lot of value for our customers. If we look at, for example, workload migration to the cloud, this is mainly part of the digital transformation. We had very good success with Philips, but also with Aviva, LVMH. We did also some co-development together to provide hybrid IT proposition to our customers. As you said, cybersecurity is a key topic today, going with the digital transformation. We have been there for 20 years. We are developing some products, and in R&D, in investment, it takes years, to get to a certain maturity, to enable new solutions for our customers. On this front, we have been also partnering together. We have been working on major deals. For example, for Dubai Telecom, we have introduced some code breach analysis, and I think this is really one of the coming trends, because we have to secure applications and not only control the ID and the roles and the access, but also the application. We are doing some bringing solutions to the market together on behavior analytics. Same thing, this is very important, and it's a major trend coming along. You're very right to stress the fact that digital transformation is not only about creating new applications, it's also moving all the legacy applications to new infrastructure, cloud, and also a way of using those legacies. So it's a really great experience. Both companies have to in this domain. We have been working, for example, with major customers such as SINAF in France, and in this respect, we have enabled them to make really good and not only good but tremendous cost saving. We're talking about 20 million per year, and this is also I like to talk about this customer because it's the biggest worldwide reference in terms of MIPS migration. 50,000 MIPS, it's quite huge, and so legacy is a key asset we share between Atos and Micro Focus.
If we look at the two companies, Micro Focus and Atos, there are obvious good alignments. First on the priorities, so if I look at your domain of expertise, they are really matching our capabilities. Could it be on application modernization and connectivity, IT, DevOps, cyber security, as Sophie was highlighting, or data analytics? You are bringing really good solutions, and which is really matching some of the cross-verticals priorities we are working on. And also, if we look at the customer segments on which we are focused, I've read that 98% of the Fortune 100 are Micro Focus customers. And if we look at our business balance as well, our top 250 customers are all part of the Fortune 500. So you see here the good alignments and the good focus on both solutions as well as customer segments. Yes, so first, big thank you for that big award, very much appreciated. It's a great opportunity first to communicate together about our capabilities. It's also a very strong encouragement for our sellers by Atos or by Micro Focus to work together and to analyze what are then new opportunities for the benefit of our new prospects and for our customers as well. So it's really cool, really much appreciated as an award for us, and a strong encouragement to do more. Let's rock in 2020.